Human Anatomy and Physiology. Section A, 2-mark question. Question number 1. Define anatomy and physiology. Question number 2. Write the name of pigment present in rod and cone cell. Question number 3. What is cardiac output? Question number 4. Name the bone present in the ear. Question number 5. Define osteoblast and osteoclast. Question number 6. Write about the two main functions of skin. Question number 7. What is catabolism and anabolism? Question number 8. Write the function of ribosome. Question number 9. Explain RH factor. Question number 10. Define the term homeostasis. Question number 11. Write the name of universal donor. Question number 12. Describe the physiological role of Golgi complex. Question number 13. Define positive and negative feedback. Question number 14. Write the tissue name known as pacemaker. Question number 15. Define systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Question number 16. What is erythroporosis? Question number 17. Define optic disc. Question number 18. Write the primary neurotransmitter of sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Explain the term endocrine signaling pathway. Question number 20. Define autophagy and autolysis. B Pharma, Human Anatomy and Physiology. Question number 1. Define cell division. Discuss about the somatic cell division in detail. Question number 2. Define blood coagulation. Write in detail about different stages involved in blood coagulation. Question number 3. Classify skeletal and discuss about the structure and function of vertebral column. Question number 4. Draw a well-labeled diagram of cell and explain transport mechanism across plasma membrane. Question number 5. Sketch a well-labeled diagram of heart. Discuss the conducting system of heart. Question number 6. Discuss in detail about active transport process across plasma membrane. Question number 7. Define hemostasis. Explain in detail the process of blood coagulation with emphasis of extrinsic pathway along with the clotting factors. Question number 8. Explain the structure and function, difference of sympathetic and parasympathetic, division of autonomic nervous system. Section C. Question number 1. What about the structure and function of plasma membrane? Question number 2. Write about the structure and function of long bone. Question number 3. Classify joints. Explain the structure of synovial joint. Question number 4. Explain the anatomy and physiology of lymph node. Question number 5. Define erythropoiesis. Write a note on erythropoiesis. Question number 6. Write a note on blood group and explain erythroblastosis at least. Question number 7. Explain the physiology of hearing in detail. Question number 8. Explain the anatomy and physiology of vision. Question number 9. Explain the anatomy of heart with well-labeled diagram. Question number 10. Explain positive and negative feedback mechanism with example. Question number 11. Describe the basic anatomy of eye with the help of diagram. Question number 12. Define cell division and explain somatic cell division with diagram. Question number 13. Explain the anatomy and physiology of muscle contraction. Question number 14. Write a short note on cranial nerve with emphasis of their function. Question number 15. What do you mean by anemia? Explain its various types.